Hi guys, welcome and welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new to my channel, kindly don't forget to hit the subscribe button, don't forget to turn on your notification bell, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, don't forget to share, and don't forget to leave your comments. So let's get straight into the video. And of course, I'm back with another amazing video. So today preparing spaghetti with green peas, and here are our ingredients. So first of all, start by adding cooking oil into sufuria. Then you can now add your onions, your capsicum and your carrots, and now let them turn golden brown. So after it's already golden brown, you can add your green peas, then stir for a while. Then after that you can add your smashed garlic and ginger, garam masala, black pepper and curry powder, and salt also. After adding everything, you can now add water. After adding water, cover it and let it boil. So after the water has boiled, it's time to add our spaghetti. So after now adding your spaghetti, now let it cook. So we have our spaghetti with green peas here. If you did enjoy my video, kindly don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, don't forget to share, and don't forget to leave your comments. So till next time, bye.